my eyes are going boink, 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 boink. Hi everybody, we are with William. We're looking at another property today, and William is showing us a beautiful villa, yes?
Like historic building.
In the middle of a very cute town called Filetto, right?
This is a very historic medieval town, completely restored.
Very cute here. I do like this town a lot. It's very pretty, very romantic, yes, with the little bridge.
We have a restaurant, bar. Villafranca is only 1 minute from here.
This is a very cute town. This could not be cuter. I would live here.
Our house is Antiquità.
Oh.
This building is the most important building in the square. We have 2 apartments and the shops on the ground.
Oh, but we could take the whole house. I mean, we don't have to make a shop, right? Do we have to make a shop? I don't want a shop. How much is it?
530,000 euro negotiable.
Negotiable. All right, I like that word. Does it need work on the inside?
It's a very particular building.
Okay, so we'll be the judge of that.
The roof is completely new.
The roof is completely new. Those are beautiful words.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go take a look.
Okay.
It's a very cute B&B. So you could do this, window boxes, growing vines.
Ciao Germana.
Permesso. Permesso, you say before you walk into a house. Oh, this is fantastic. I can hardly wait to meet her. I'm dying.
Ciao, buongiorno.
Ciao,
Lei è Annette
buongiorno.
e lei è Germana.
So this is like a shop on the bottom.
The ground floor, we have 2-3 shops. All the material you see, you can buy.
Oh.
Okay.
You have shops on the ground floor.
Yes.
Do you know what it was used for, the use of it?
Nobiliar residence. The
right,
house
so-
of the Duke.
Oh man, this is cool. Ah, this is cool. Very cool. Not temperature-wise, very hot, but this is very pretty. Wow, this is amazing. It's like a book. It's like a storybook house, right?
Yeah.
I'm trying not to get like overly excited in front of her because I don't want to scare her, but I don't want to freak her out with screaming. Oh, wow. Look at this. Really pretty, beautiful. That mirror, yes, please. That light, yes, please. Like, I'd want that piece. I'd want that bench. This is hopefully attached because that stays.
Have you locked up?
Yeah, I mean, that's crazy.
This is the kitchen.
Oh, this is crazy. I love it. I love it. Obviously, I mean, you have to make it a more functioning kitchen, but it's a great space for a kitchen. I mean, it's killer. I mean, that's kind of fun back there. I don't know, I'd really have to like really parse this out, but it's cool. I love it. It's great. You negotiate this and you're like, just leave this shit for me. Thank you very much. I already love this woman. She has a bar set up. I mean, leave this, like don't do anything. I like this bar so much. I love this house. It's very, very freaking cool. I love this butler's pantry with all this stuff. She's a stuff person like me though. You know, she's like me. Oh, she put a little theater in here.
Yeah,
this
small
is
theater.
so cute. This is hilarious. I mean, this is friggin' amazing.
Yeah. They saved the original paint.
Yeah, that's so cool. This could be so like Wes Anderson, this house.
Yeah,
It could really be Wes Anderson. This is really cool. I love this house. And this is, well, of course I do. It's like a palazzo. I'm trying not to act like super crazy right now. Oh my God.
This is the bathroom.
Oh, this is awesome. So I would take inspiration from this. This woman is freaking inspired. I knew it when I saw her at the door. I was like, oh yeah, she's from my planet. Oh my God. I would have her just leave the bathroom and then I could like figure it out. This is she's cool. This is cool. Oh my God, all this stuff. It's like collected stuff. Everything is perfect. This bathroom is just the shit. Oh man. Oh, it's like a movie set.
Yeah, it's like a movie set. Yeah.
Right? It's like a movie set. Just gets better and better too as you walk through it. Well, this room, I won't do a goddamn thing to it. I feel like, and this is my room, and these are my children, and that is me. Oh my God. Oh my God, I love this woman's style. She's so cuckoo. I love it. She's got look at that chandelier. I love it. It's like a movie set. It's fantastic. So I would literally go through this. I would take like a week and I would go through and put little tags on everything I wanted to keep. And I would make an offer and I would say, I want these things included.
Yeah.
And that's how I would do this.
Yes.
And then I would move in and be very happy for the rest of my life. Oh my God. And the way she thinks about things is so cuckoo. It's like, let's put this bench, let's put this modern sofa, let's put these modern things. It's like, so good. And it goes around like this, which I like. I love the floor plan. You don't have to do a thing. And her closet is this armoire-ish thing. Oh no, oh my God, look at all the, this is so cool. These are all like vintage dresses. She's my kind of lady, let me tell you. I like that she's got that facing the other way. She's very funny, she's quirky. Great, very quirky, this house for sure. Give it a 10. Well, if you don't like and subscribe and you've seen this video, you're crazy because look at the places we get to go. I feel like I'm in a fairy tale right now. I love you, William.
Thank you.
Okay. Oh, geez, Louise. I love this house. But I'm not moving, but I love this house. Somebody please buy this house. Please buy this and please invite me and I will help you put this together. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. Holy crap. This house is so cool. You knew I was gonna lose my mind.
Yeah.
I just didn't want to go crazy in front of the owner, but yeah, someone's gotta buy this, like immediately. I mean, for somebody that wants something really extraordinary, this is it.
Yeah.
This is fantastic. $500,000 negotiable.
Yeah.
You negotiate a lot of furniture and stuff in it.
You can. Yeah.
Like this, yes, please.
Yeah.
You just leave this. I mean, again, you just, clean it up and move in. Get the cleaning lady and move in. Remove all the photos and stuff. And although you could be those people. That was me when I lived in Milan, blonde, pretty lady. I mean, there's not a lot you have to do here, honestly, as far as restoration.
Yeah.
It's still going to cost a lot of money. Because the kitchen, everything's big here. I mean, I think if you budget between $400,000 and $500,000, you could probably do it, like €450.
It's another kitchen with the bathroom behind.
Another kitchen with the bathroom behind. Oh my God, it's a fabulous bathroom. This lady does bathrooms well. She gets the bathroom thing. And I love this guy. I would keep that. I would just keep this as is. It's very cool.
And this is a double bedroom.
Oh my God, this is so cool. Oh geez Louise, this is fantastic. Wow, this is really cool. I don't know that I've seen something like this. Like my eyes are going boink, 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 boink. Oh geez. Oh, I love this, love this.
Wait till you see on the other side.
Okay. Michael is like preparing me. This is a very, very big house.
This is the old kitchen. The original.
Oh shit. Oh shit. This is awesome. You know what I would do actually is I would take this whole thing and move it downstairs to the main floor kitchen. Just take the whole thing. Piece by piece, bit by bit, just take it downstairs. I can't with this. Oh my God, look at the sink.
The original marble.
Oh, I know, the sink is awesome. The whole setup here is great. Oh, this is so good. And this, I mean, this goes down to the dining room immediately with the light. This is great. Wow. It makes me want to sing a song. This makes me so happy. This guy moves downstairs for sure. I mean, this as is. Look at all the pieces here. Oh my God. I'm losing my mind. I hope everybody is losing their mind as I am losing my mind as well. Oh my God, so good. And then there's a little nativity situation. That's pretty cute. Oh God, this is so cool. Who lived here? Like who lived upstairs?
The family.
The family
The
did?
family,
Yeah.
yeah. And the last bathroom on the is like a laundry bathroom.
Laundry bathroom, right? Yeah. Utility.
Yeah.
It's all great. I mean, it's all fantastic. I mean, there's just like nothing bad about this. This is all great.
Yeah.
I mean, somebody out there's got to have an eyeball and know what they want to do with this because I know what I would do with it. It's amazing. I love it. And then this opens up to go downstairs.
Yes.
I think the floor plan's pretty cool. I do.
We start from the first shops.
Oh my gosh. It's the magical fairyland in there. Oh my God. Holy cannolis. No joke. This is amazing. Wow. It's amazing. So is this a shop?
Yes.
Okay. Oh, this is like a movie set. This is a total movie set.
Lots of ancient map, cards, and painted.
So cool.
So original.
How was this used? Just for storage, or it was a shop, or?
It's a shop. It's
Okay.
possible. It's possible
to buy things.
To buy things. Yeah.
Okay, so it's like an antiques
Yeah.
shop. Okay, it's always hard for me with these buildings to figure out what's what. So I ask lots of questions. I'm
Yeah.
sorry, but I love it. It's beautiful. Wow, it's amazing. And she plays the drums. Apparently, there's a band here.
Yeah.
Look, it's a music studio.
Yeah.
I've seen a lot of these actually. You know, it's an ancient building that they've repurposed, which is what she's done with this, which is very cool. And there's a lot of potential here. I mean, this is really cool. I don't even know where to look because it's really like that's fabulous. There's a lot of cool things here. So here's the deal. So I would probably, if I were interested in doing a big renovation like this, I would probably have her leave this when you buy it, because then you can go through slowly. There's a lot of things here that are beautiful that you can use. This is the treasure hunt house for sure. I have no idea how I would divide or do any of this, so I'm just gonna walk through and you're gonna come with me. Wowza.
This is another small shop.
So she was an antiques dealer, and then she made this into her shop, essentially. Okay. Do you love all the beautiful things you're seeing on these house tours, all the antique furniture, things that were left behind? Join me next year for a wonderful shopping retreat. We go to all my favorite flea markets, all my favorite antique stores, and you get to meet all my favorite vendors. So I hope to see you there. Sign up below. There's so many cool things here, like items, like props. Will she sell it with everything in it?
This is not included in the price.
For that price, I would want it included. I mean, that's how I would negotiate this. I would want her to take very little, only unless it's like something that, you know, is very close to her heart that you can't part with. But a lot of this stuff is worth a lot of money. I mean, the building, it's highly priced, and it's going to take a lot of money to renovate this place. Could you sell this for over $1 million if it was completely renovated?
Maybe yes.
Maybe yes.
Yes.
Okay.
I just want to take one more sip. Drink it and I just can't get enough. Like the sun always crashing in, and the way you look at me, yeah, I think I'm falling in love. Sweet talk, sun-kissed skin. Let's just go all in, 'cause I just got to move. Take a look at all the shining lights.
If you have a really unique house in the Lunigiana that's really well priced, we'd love to come take a look at it and maybe feature you on one of our YouTube videos. If this sounds like you, go ahead and get a hold of Steven. His link is below.
Ooh, yeah, this place just makes you, kinda makes you want to.
This, to me, you would be lucky to get out with, you know, renovating it like perfectly for $500,000. I mean, I think euros, which is like 650, you know, because it's 5,000 square feet. I mean, that's just, the good news is I don't think down here there'd be a lot of wall ripping. You just have to kind of figure out like how you're going to, the usage of it, because I wouldn't do it. Plus it's a historical house, so there's not a lot we can move around. You have to leave a lot of things, And that's the other thing you have to take into consideration when you're looking at a historical building. There's a lot of rules.
Yes.
A lot of rules. And so you're stepping into the superintendenza. You have to have the superintendenza come too. The superintendenza.
I don't think it's underneath sovrintendenza.
You don't? Do we know for sure?
Yeah.
But if it is, then there's a lot of rules, and you have to decide whether you will live with it the way that it is. They will not rip out walls, and they will not alter the height of the doors, and they won't do any of that. I mean, there's a lot of rules and regulations with that. And also thinking about opening a business here is also very complicated. You have to be ready to do that. It's all of this is doable. It's just more complicated. It's fantastic. I love it. It's super cool, and you have great taste. Your taste is fantastic.
Questo era appena finito il lavoro di restauro un anno dopo.
Okay.
Con le porte che erano di colore
After they restored it.
Questi erano gli interni.
Oh wow, so you have all the pictures of when you restored it. Your home is amazing. I mean, it's really beautiful.
Sul Times.
Oh, you were on the Times Online.
Times Online.
Very cool. So if you've gotten this far, thank you so much for joining us. This was beyond spectacular. Thank you so much, and thank you.
Thank you, Anne.
And your home is beautiful, and you have amazing taste, and we would be friends for sure. Anyway, don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you at the next not so spectacular location. I don't know how we're going to top this. Thanks again. Peace. Perfect timing. Perfect timing.
Perfect timing.
Perfect timing.